Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you 3 different ways for blending colors while using pastel pencils. So it's really good for beginners. If you like this video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get this video started. So here I have 3 squares and I want to color them using 3 or 4 different colors. For the first one, I want to blend colors using only pastel pencils. For the second one, I want to use a small piece of tissue paper, and for the last one, I blend colors with my finger. You can blend colors the way you want, but personally I prefer to blend them with my finger because it's easier. Here I'm using color number 695, 221 and 311 from Carbothello set. After I add the second color, I take the first color again and try to fade the border between 2 colors. Then I see that the border still can be seen, so I use both colors again and again till it disappears. After adding the third color, I do the exact same thing. For the next one, I use color number 6, 42 and 9, and then again I add colors one after another, and this time I use a small piece of tissue paper for blending. This is a useful way, but the problem is that tissue paper removes colors a little from the paper, so you need to add more layers of pastel pencils. For the last one, I'm gonna use different shades of skin tone, like color number 28, 51, and 52 from Koh-i-Noor set, and then I only use my finger to blend them. We can also practice all these ways of blending on circles and make 3D shapes.